Hello everybody, this is Derek at Aquanut Pool Care. Today I am going to show you how to program a Pentair Intelliflo variable speed, variable flow. To do this, what you are going to do is you're going to hit the menu. You are going to hit the down button to programs, hit the select button, program 1. You are going to go ahead and select that. We have it on egg timer. We typically want 1 through 4 set on egg timer mode, and the reason is so if somebody comes out here and starts messing with this, they can only run the pump for 2 hours before it goes back to its normal schedule. So egg timer, speed, we have this set at 2000 RPMs, and we have it running for 2 hours. You could change all of these simply by hitting select, and then you can go in and you can change the minutes. You can come over here and you can change the hours, and then you hit the save button. Back, hit the down arrow, program 2, egg timer. We have this speed set a little higher, 2 hours. Back, speed 3, hit the select button. Egg timer, again, we have it set on speed, 2800 RPMs, again a little bit higher, and speed for 2 hours. Hit the back button, speed 4, egg timer, speed 4. Now you notice that I have it going 1 through 4, 1 being the slowest, 4 being the highest. Speed 4 is set at 3210. That's going to be about the highest that you're going to want to run this pump, and it is run on 2 hours. Now, every pool is different, and this particular pool is very different indeed. It does have a water feature that falls into a catch basin. Now, when we get to speed 5 is where we're actually going to do our scheduled programming. It's disabled there. I'm going to select that, scroll down to schedule. We're going to save that, and then we are going to hit this. I like to go with speed, save, and then select that. This particular pool simply won't run with a speed that low, so we're going to bump it up to 2500 RPMs, or 2550 is fine. Save, and then we're going to get into our hours. We're going to hop in here, and for that low of a speed, I'm going to start it about 11 p.m. start time, save, and then you will see stop time. Select. I'm going to take this. Let's do 7 in the morning. Hit the save button. Remember that for your next program. I'm going to hit the back button. Program 6 is going to be the next one that I do. It is disabled. I'm going to hit select, go to schedules, save, come down here to flow, select. Now there's reasons that you would do flow. This particular one, I am going to just do speed, 1500 RPMs. I'm going to jump up to 32. And the reason why I'm doing that is because when I was testing this pool earlier, I found that this is going to be the best speed for the water feature that they have. Now, start time, remember the end time of speed 5. So you're going to want to scroll up. That ended at 7 a.m. We're going to start this one at 7 a.m. You want to hit save. Now you're going to want to go to stop time. And remember that we started speed 5 at 11 p.m. So we are going to stop this one at 11 p.m. Hit the back button, and go all the way out and stop start. It's going to go into a priming mode that will run for a few minutes, and then it will go back into your scheduled modes, whatever you have it scheduled for. If you want to know how to set the time of day, you simply stop the pump. You can go back into menu, settings, time day, and this is where you set the time of day and the date. Once you get that set, you're all good. Go back out, stop start, and you'll be good. If you have any questions about this pump or other pump, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. I hope that we have earned your subscription. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks and have a good day.